All right, we're going to read the poem called December Moon by May Sarton. Remember, this is a stanza, and then when there's a space, the next part is another stanza. It's kind of like a paragraph. Before going to bed after a fall of snow, I look out on the field shining there in the moonlight, so calm, untouched, and white. Snow silence fills my head after I leave the window. Hours later, near dawn, when I look down again, the whole landscape has changed. The perfect surface gone, crisscrossed and written on, where the wild creatures ranged, while the moon rose and shone. Why did my dog not bark? Why did I hear no sound, there on the snow-locked ground in the tumultuous dark? How much can come, how much can go? When the December moon is bright, what worlds of play we'll never know, sleeping away the cold white night after a fall of snow. Okay, you should have annotated that while we were reading. On the bottom, I want you to write your genre-based thinking job. Remember, for a poem, it's literal meaning, and then it is deeper meaning. When you're done with that, we can move on to the questions, but pause the video right now to write your genre-based thinking job. Number 1, what does the speaker discover in the second stanza? A, many wild animals are active at night. B, moonlight can cause snow to melt. C, the dog is afraid of the falling snow. D, snow can bury the whole landscape. 2, what word best describes how the speaker feels after seeing the snow crisscrossed and written on in line 12? A, fearful. B, playful. C, curious. D, lonesome. Number 3, what is the author's main purpose for writing this poem? A, to describe how quickly the snow can cover the ground. B, to explain why animals make tracks in the snow during the nighttime. C, to describe how the bright moon keeps the speaker awake. D, to describe how the snow reveals the nighttime activities of animals. Number 4, in line 6, snow silence fills my head most likely means that A, the speaker is cold from being outside in the snow. B, the calm and silence make the speaker sleepy. C, the speaker spends all night researching snow. D, the speaker is too excited by the snowfall to fall asleep. Number 5, the word written in line 12 in the second stanza is used to describe A, the job of the author in creating the poem. B, the shadows of trees cast by the moon. C, the tracks that wild animals have left in the snow. D, the paths the speaker's dog has left in the snow. 6, in line 18, why is the dark described as tumultuous? A, a lot of activity has occurred in the dark. B, the wild creatures are making a great deal of noise. C, it is snowing very hard throughout the nighttime. D, the dawn is coming soon to drive away the dark. 7, which best describes the setting of December moon? A, cheerful. B, mysterious. C, protected. D, dangerous. That is the end. Make sure you have used testing strategies. If you need to listen to the video again or get me or Miss Graham to read a question for you, just raise your hand.